In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import saved passwords into Microsoft Edge. This step-by-step guide will make sure the transition of your passwords is smooth and hassle-free, whether you're moving from another browser or using a file. First, open Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner, click the three vertically aligned dots to open the Settings menu. From there, select Settings. Next, look at the left-hand menu and click Profiles. This section contains several personalization features, but for now, focus on passwords. On the passwords page, click the three dots in the top right corner, then select Import Passwords. A drop-down menu will ask you to choose the source. If your passwords are saved in another browser, select that browser from the list. If your passwords are in a separate file, such as a CSV, click Choose File, navigate to the file, and select it. Finally, click Import to start the process. Depending on the number of passwords, this may take a few moments. And that's it. Your passwords are now imported into Microsoft Edge, letting you browse securely and conveniently. Managing your passwords on a secure browser like Edge can greatly enhance your online security. Thanks for watching and happy browsing.